Okay, you heard me hesitating at the end of the last video here because I did want to show you one more thing, and I was blanking on where you could find it. One of the other thing that's interesting within Excel is being able to add notes to a page, right? So this won't show up when you make the presentation, but it is helpful, right, if you want to make sure that you know what you're saying. So please notice down here at the bottom where I'm at, bottom right, I can click on that and I can create notes, right? So things I want to make sure that I say about this slide, right? So, Kevin did a poor job of studying the material, but did take good time on the assignments. Good thing I can make changes here, right? Right, so things like that. So it's like, okay, when I look at this slide, I want to make sure I say this. I don't want to forget something. These can also be printed, right, if you wanted to. You can make the notes inside the slides. I can print the actual slides out themselves. I don't have to do one slide per page, right? Seems a little wasteful, but I could do 2 or 6 or something like that on a slide and then have those little bit of notes, right? Now you don't want a ton of notes down here, right? Or maybe you're in a situation where you're working and your boss is actually going to be the one giving the presentation. You want to give some context to the slide, right? So as you're creating the slide, you're putting these notes down in here for your boss so that she can go in and say, hey, this is what this slide means, and so they know what's going on in your thought process as you were putting together the slides. So just wanted to make that quick little note. So thanks.